Hey everybody, welcome to Dr. G Cooks. It's a cold, rainy day in San Francisco, second day of Hanukkah, so happy Pandemica. And today we're going to make some pho. I am actually on call today. I have to go to the hospital in a couple hours, so this is a perfect thing to make because this soup has to sit here. The stock takes 9 to 12 hours to make, so by the time I get home tonight, I'll be raring to go. Okay, what do we need for pho? The most amazing soup on the planet. I have here 3 pounds of beef bones, okay? We're gonna roast these. This is gonna be the base of the stock, as well as a white onion that we're gonna roast and char, and that's going to go into the stock as well. You need the 5 cardinal spices of pho. You need cinnamon stick, anise, you need cardamom pods, cloves, and coriander seeds. Okay, with that, you can make that traditional flavor. For the veggies on top, you're going to need some bean sprouts, Thai basil, green onion, cilantro, and a lime. You're also going to need, left it over here, a little ginger you're going to need for your soup stock as well. And then finally, the noodles. You can use any rice noodle you want. You can see I have a variety here. This is my favorite, if you can find it. It's a fresh, wide rice noodle. I buy mine at Ranch 99 here in the Bay Area. If you live in California, you can get it no problem. Elsewhere, not sure what you're going to do, but good luck. Buy the fresh noodle. It's really well worth it. Okay, so as I said, my resident, Dr. Yuki, called me in, so I'm going to go in a little while, but first we're going to get the stock going, and then when we come back, we'll finish up the soup, okay? So let's get the beef into the oven, and we'll go from there. Toast your 5 spices until they become super aromatic, and then put that into the stock pot, which is about 4 to 5 quarts of water. Don't forget to add about 5 to 7 slices of nice fresh ginger to that soup stock as well. Take your roasted beef bones and the charred onion and put them into the stock pot. Add about 2.5 tablespoons to the stock of authentic Vietnamese fish sauce. You can buy this at Ranch 99. Okay, quick recap. We've got a stock pot. We're bringing it to a boil. It's full of 4 to 5 quarts of water. Our aromatics consisting of cardamom, coriander, cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. We've also added 2.5 tablespoons of Vietnamese fish sauce. Bring this to a boil and then put it on your smallest simmer cover for 9 hours. Simmer for 9 hours. Just walk away. Get yourself a nice soup bowl, put in your noodles, prepared as it says on the package, super easy. Put in their cilantro and chopped up green onion, and then your thinly sliced filet mignon, and then you'll ladle in your soup, which you'll bring to almost a boil. Gently ladle that over the meat and it'll cook, and then you'll add your condiments and you're ready to roll. And there you have it, perfectly homemade pho. So delicious, so savory. Be sure to put in lots of your condiments, serve it with your Thai basil, your bean sprouts, lime, you can even add jalapeno, and I really do like the sriracha and the hoisin sauce addition as well, although the broth can definitely stand up on its own. So that's it. Bon appetit. Thanks for joining me on another international episode of Dr. G Cooks.